The border is in bright pink color. It has florals and leaves jal with zigzag lines. We also have diamonds here. We have small zigzag lines here as well. We have small cross lines also. A lot of detailing is there in gold zari. And here is the contrasting pallu, which has floral buttis and curry. So we have gorgeous gold zari work, and on that we have these beautiful florals. Very delicate design. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this peach color sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ219. Weaver's price is 5,839. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say a very heartfelt thank you to Miss Rachna ji. Thank you so much for your compliment. I also love all the beautiful saris that I have been wearing from Varamahalakshmi Silks. I got to know so much about all the beautiful saris as well, just because of these lives that we have every single day. So please make sure to tune into our lives every day at 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. IST to have a look at lovely collections and learn more about Indian handlooms too. My name is Anleep Zaidi, and I will keep showing you beautiful saris every day. So stay tuned till the end of today's episode too. Moving on to the next sari. It's a beautiful sari, a classic color combination. Let me show you the details of this lovely blue with royal blue color Kanchipattu sari. On the body we have florals and leaves jal and zari, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari, which is adding a lovely shine to the sea green color body. The border here has paisleys, small dollars in boxes, florals and leaves jal. We have diamonds, and all this gorgeous work is in gold zari on royal blue color. Let me show you the contrasting pallu, which is circular floral buttis, and then we have floral brocade work. So in zigzag lines, we have floral buttis in gold zari. And here's the lovely contrasting blouse for your very beautiful sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ201. Weaver's price is 9,359. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very classic sari from the Kanchipattu collection. Let me show you this gorgeous mustard with red color Kanchipattu sari. A must have for all the beautiful ladies. Let's have a look at the details. On the body we have zari checks, and inside them we have floral buttis in gold zari. And the border here in mustard color has cross lines and peacocks with florals in boxes. So peacocks have diamonds and cross line detailing inside them. We have small paisleys in boxes here, and peacocks and florals are there inside the boxes in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu, which has brocade work over it. So we have beautiful florals and curvy checks in gold zari. And let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ265. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next gorgeous sari is another very beautiful sari in green with magenta color. But before that, ladies, let me show you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections, Weaver's prices and live timings too. Moving on to it. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say hello to our very dear customer Miss Suvarna ji, who is here to enjoy the episode. I hope you will place lots and lots of orders from Kanchipattu saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let me now show you the next one now. As I said, this one is a gorgeous green with magenta color Kanchipattu sari, and let's have a look at the details. On the body we have leaf buttis and cross checks with zari. This is beautiful gold zari work. And the border, which is in magenta color, has cross lines. We have peacocks with paisleys and florals and leaves jal. And then we have polkas in boxes, and there are temples also on the edge. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. It's a very classic color combination, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ264. Weaver's price is 7,279, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next bright and beautiful yellow color sari to brighten up your day. Yellow color will always bring happiness and cheerfulness to your life, and let me show you the details of this one, which has florals and leaves jal in silver zari on the body, adding a lovely shine to the sari. And here is the border, which has cross lines and florals in boxes, and all this work is also in silver zari. We have a sea green color edge to our yellow color border, and the beautiful pallu, which has brocade work all over it. So it's a contrasting pallu with silver zari floral brocade work with leaves. And let's have a look at the beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ230. Weaver's price is 9,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of Kanchi Pattu sari, and these saris are pure Kanjivaram silk saris. This one is a lovely pink color sari, a peachy pink shade, and we have florals and leaves jal on the body in silver zari. And the border has zigzag lines and florals with diamonds. This work is in silver zari, and we have a lovely contrasting border in purple color. That's the edge of the pink color border. Let me now show you the pallu, which has peacocks and florals in check. So we have swans here, and on the contrasting pallu we have florals and peacocks and zari checks in silver zari. And the sari has a very beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ237. Weaver's prices 9,599, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Miss Shweta ji, I think the sari is perfect for you because it's a beautiful shade of peach with purple and blue. So I think you should place the order for the sari right away. This is the sari for you. I will definitely try to show you more options, but in that case, please keep this sari also in your mind. Here's the next gorgeous sari in a very beautiful color combination. Totally love the shine on the fabric of the sari. Let's have a look at the details. It's a blue with pink color Kanchi Pattu sari, and on the body we have circular floral buttis in copper zari. And the border, which is in magenta color, actually has florals and leaves with cross lines in copper zari. Have a look at the beautiful shine of the sari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has brocade work over it. So contrasting pink color pallu, and we have a beautiful contrasting blouse also in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ234. Weaver's price is 6,959. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next beautiful sari, ladies, let me just ask you, what's your favorite color? Let me know your answers in the comment section down below, and I will try to show you the saris corresponding to your favorite color. So this way we will be able to have a conversation, have a little chat, and also you will be able to buy your favorite sari from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next one now. Here's a beautiful mustard color sari from the Kanchi Pattu collection, and this one has floral buttis and circles on the body. Gorgeous gold zari work. And here's the pink color contrasting border, which has florals and leaves jal with cross lines in copper zari. Let me now show you the pallu. which is in pink color and it has brocade work on it. So we have drop butties all over it in copper zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place in order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ243. Weaver's price is 6,959. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Let's move on to next beautiful sari from today's episode of Kanchi Pattu Saris, pure Kanjivaram silk saris. This one is a gorgeous blue with magenta color sari, and on the body we have paisleys, florals, temples and peacocks in zari checks. And the gold zari is looking extremely royal and gorgeous on the blue color body. Here's the border, which has florals and paisleys with diamonds in champagne gold zari. You also have temples on the edge. And let me now show you the contrasting pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. The sari has a very lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ235. Weaver's price is 9,199 and you need to send a screenshot to 890001 Let me now show you the next beautiful sari from today's collection, and this one is in green color, a very lovely and unique shade of green. Let's have a look at the gorgeous green color sari, which has florals and leaves jal in zari on the body. The gold zari is adding a beautiful shine to the green color. And here's the lovely contrasting border. So we have dollars in boxes with crossed lines, paisleys with florals and leaves jal. Then we have diamonds and dollars in boxes again. This work is in gold zari, making the sari look very royal. The pallu has floral brocade work over it. So there are florals and cross checks in gold zari. And the sari has a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ269. Weaver's price is 7,279 and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 So dear beautiful ladies, I hope you're enjoying today's episode, which is about beautiful Kanchi Pattu saris. These saris are very traditional, they are very authentic, and they are pure Kanjivaram silk saris. Let me now show you the next gorgeous sari now, and this one is in a very beautiful dual shade. So we have peachy pink color body with very simple and very elegant work. On the body of this sari, we have floral butties in gold zari. You can see how lovely they look. Very small, delicate work is there. And the border in pink color has diamonds, paisleys in lines, circular floral butties in boxes. Again we have paisleys, peacocks with florals, and we have florals in boxes one more time, again in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work. So we have florals in cross checks with small polkas in gold zari. And a very lovely contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ209. Weaver's price is 6,239 rupees and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 Moving on to the next very gorgeous sari in a very refreshing shade of green. You're going to love this one, so let me show you the details. Love the design and the fabric and the weave of this beautiful sari. So on the body of this gorgeous green color sari, we have florals and polkas in checks. This gorgeous work is in gold zari and we have zigzag detailing also. Let me show you the contrasting border, which has dollars in boxes. We have diamonds, temples and florals and leaves jal in gold zari. And here's the lovely contrasting pallu, which has dollars and zigzag lines in gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse for this very gorgeous green color sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ202. Weaver's price is 7,279 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So our next beautiful sari is for a very beautiful customer, Miss Purvi ji, who wanted to see a gorgeous orange color sari, and here I have one for you. So let me show you the details right away without any further waiting. This gorgeous orange color sari has floral buttees in zari. So you can see that these floral buttees are creating a lovely curvy check pattern on the body, and they have a lot of intricate detailing in gold zari. And the magenta color border has dollars in boxes, peacocks with florals, cross lines, and again we have repetition of work to create a lovely balanced design in gold zari. Here is the pallu of the sari, which has floral brocade work over it. So beautiful gold zari work is there on the pallu also. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ239. Weaver's price is 9,199 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So Miss Purvi, I hope you like this sari, and I will definitely show you more options, but please keep this sari in your mind and place the order right away, because the Weaver's prices, they are valid only for 24 hours. Let me now show you the next very classy sari and very elegant sari from today's collection. This one is a beautiful cream with pink color sari. Let me now show you the details. On the body we have floral buttees and zari lines. So you can see the work is very simple and elegant. Very classy look. It's copper zari work on the cream color body, and the bright pink color border has temples, florals in boxes, paisleys with florals and cross lines in copper zari. And here is the pallu, which has brocade work all over it. So we have florals in gold zari. And let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse for this beautiful cream sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ238. Weaver's price is 7,519 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say hi, hello and namaste to Miss Chitra ji, who's here to enjoy the episode and shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode, because I have amazing, beautiful saris to show to you at Weaver's prices. Let me now show you the next gorgeous sari from today's collection. It's a very beautiful dual shade sari. So we have it in green and peacock blue color. Look at the lovely sari changing color from the light falling over it. And we have drop buttees and paisleys buttees on the body. That is gold zari work on the body. And here's the border, which is very simple and classy work. We have gold zari kadi. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. So we have diamond brocade work in gold zari. And a very beautiful self blouse for the very beautiful sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ213. Weaver's price is 7,999. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next gorgeous sari. This one is a beautiful sari for a very beautiful customer, Miss Sapna ji. So you wanted to see a red with magenta sari, and I have the perfect sari for you. This one is very lightweight also. This one is in red with maroon color, and on the body we have floral buttees in zari. So we have two types of floral buttees in gold zari all over the body. The border is in maroon color. We have polkas in boxes, cross lines, florals in boxes. We have zigzag lines, florals in lines, and then we have small zari checks in gold zari. Let's have a look at the pallu. So it's a contrasting pallu in navy blue color, which has florals and curvy checks in copper zari. Very intricate and beautiful work is there. And the sari has a gorgeous contrasting blouse in navy blue color, which has self-embossed floral buttees over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ231, Vivo's price is 6,959 rupees and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is a gorgeous color combination of green with magenta, and let me show you the details right away. Here is the lovely saree for all the lovely ladies. On the body of this one, we have zari checks in gold zari, and inside the zari checks we have floral buttis, peacock buttis and elephant buttis. And the contrasting border in magenta color has temples, cross lines and floral buttis, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. And here's the pallu, which has peacocks and floral buttis in checks. It's a beautiful contrasting pallu in pink color, and we have an even more beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ262. Weaver's price is 7,279 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So our very dear customer Miss Asha ji, as you can see that today's sarees are totally affordable, and these are lovely Kanchipattu sarees. They are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees also, and getting them at these amazing weavers prices, I think that is the best deal we are providing you. We at Varamahalakshmi Silks always want to give the best to our dear customers. Let me now show you a next lovely saree again at weavers prices. So this one is a very beautiful red color saree, an essential for all the beautiful ladies. And we have floral buttis on the body in gold zari. You can see these floral buttis are in diamond shape, giving it a more geometrical look and making a lovely pattern all over the body. And here's the border, a contrasting border in purple color which has diamonds and florals. We also have temples and leaf buttis here in gold zari. And a lovely pallu, contrasting blue color pallu, which has floral brocade work with zari boxes and gold zari. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for the saree in blue color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ227. Weaver's price is 7,279 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to next gorgeous saree ladies, let me show you these simple steps. You just need to follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, weavers prices and everyday lives too. Moving on to it.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And I'm back to show beautiful sarees to all the beautiful ladies. So here I'm showing you a next lovely saree, and this one is in green color from the Kanchipattu collection. And look at the simple and elegant work on the body in gold zari. It will make you look so classy. It's so affordable and perfect for wearing to all small functions, events and parties. This one has floral buttis on the body. So we have two types of floral buttis in gold zari all over the body. And the border has florals and dollars with zigzag lines in gold zari. We also have cross lines in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has leaf buttis in kadi. It's a beautiful contrasting pallu which has gold zari kadi over it. And we have a beautiful contrasting blouse also. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ211. Weaver's price is 5,839 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank dear Rani Kumari ji who's loving the saris. Also let me know which sari did you specifically like so that I can show you more of your favorites and you can shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's have a look at the next gorgeous sari, and this one is in pink color. It's a very beautiful shade of pink and it's a must have for all the beautiful ladies. So on this one we have florals and leaf jal in zari on the body. And the silver zari is contrasting beautifully, adding a lovely shine to the pink color. The border has dollars in boxes, cross lines, peacocks with florals in boxes, and all this gorgeous work is in silver zari. And then we have blue color edge to the pink border. And let me now show you the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. So it's a lovely contrasting pallu in blue color with silver zari floral brocade work. Here's the contrasting blouse for your beautiful pink sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ267. Weaver's price is 9,599. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Our next sari is a very special sari for a very special customer, Miss Swati ji. So let me show you this beautiful sari with a small border on both sides, just like you wanted. It's a lovely green shade. It's a very refreshing shade, and this color can be worn during the daytime as well as night time. And you can already see that it's a dual shade sari, so you can see a lovely shine on the body too. We have floral buttis and gold zari all over the body. And the small border has elephants with peacocks and florals and leaves jal. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has peacocks with elephants and florals and leaves jal, and then we have gold zari kadi all over it. And here's the contrasting blouse for your very beautiful green sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ233. Weaver's price is 5,119, and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just heartfully thank our very dear customer, Miss Rani Kumari ji, who's loving my look today. Thank you so much. It's all because of the lovely sari that I'm wearing today. It's a beautiful yellow color sari, and I will share the details of this beautiful sari with you one more time. So this gorgeous yellow color sari has diamonds and florals and zari lines. This work in silver zari is adding a beautiful shine to the yellow color body, and the border has cross lines with peacocks and florals in temples. We have a sea green color edge to the border, and our contrasting pallu has diamonds and cross lines in gold zari. So we have silver zari work on body and gold zari work on pallu. And there's a beautiful contrasting blouse for a very beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BG801. Weaver's price is 17,999. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. So dear beautiful ladies, I hope you love the sari that I'm wearing, and you will place the order right away too. So now let's move on to our next gorgeous sari. This one is a very beautiful, authentic Kanchipattu sari in red and purple color. Lovely color combination, isn't it? So on the body of the sari, we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Gold always looks extremely ravishing and royal on the red color. And the border in magenta color here has temples, cross lines, florals and leaves, and again cross lines in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has kadi in boxes. So we have zari boxes here in gold zari on the blue color contrasting pallu. And the sari has a very gorgeous contrasting blouse in blue color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ212, Weaver's price is 7,279. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 0002. Moving on to our next beautiful sari from today's collection of Kanchipattu sarees, lovely silk Kanchivaram sarees. Here's a very refreshing shade of green, ladies, so bright and beautiful. It's a very light green color, and on the body we have florals and boxes with zari. So the zari boxes are in silver zari, and inside that we have jhumka design in gold zari. Here's the border, which has peacocks with florals and leaves jal, and then we have cross lines in silver zari. And the pallu has floral brocade work over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in pink color, and we also have a contrasting blouse in pink color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ268. Weaver's price is 7,279. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 0002. Our next sari is also a very classy and beautiful color combination, and let's have a look at the details. Such a lovely and deep shade of brown. It's a chocolate brown color sari, and we have florals and paisleys inside the leaf buttis. The silver zari is contrasting beautifully with the brown color body, and here is the border in green color, which has temples, florals and circular buttis, and cross lines in silver zari. Let's have a look at the pallu, a contrasting pallu which has paisleys, buttis and cross checks in silver zari, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ205. Weaver's price is 6,239. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me just remind you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter in which part of the world you are sitting when you place an order for our saris, we will deliver them to you in no time, and cash and delivery option that is available only in Hyderabad. Let's have a look at our next lovely sari. Another beautiful color combination from the Kanchipattu sari collection. It's in peacock green with pink color, and on the body we have copper zari work. So you can see copper zari looks extremely beautiful, and we have florals and paisleys buttis on the body. The contrasting border in pink color has florals in cross checks, again in copper zari. Here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. It's a contrasting pink color pallu, and a very beautiful contrasting pink blouse also. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ217. Weaver's price is 6,959 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Let's move on to the next beautiful sari. This one is in pink color, and you're going to love this lovely shade of pink. A must-have for all the beautiful ladies, and on the body of this one we have floral buttis in copper zari. Look at the lovely shine it's adding to the pink color body. And here is the border, which has zigzag lines, and inside them we have paisleys and polkas, cross lines, and all this gorgeous work is in copper zari again. Here's the pallu, a self pallu with beautiful florals and diamonds and lines over it, and a very beautiful self blouse also, because the color and the design is so lovely in itself. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ229. Weaver's price is 9,199 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Our next beautiful sari is for a very dear customer, Miss Rani Ji, who wanted to see a midnight blue color sari with gold. So I think this is the closest and the most beautiful sari that I can show to your preference. This one has lovely florals and leaves jal on the body in gold zari. First of all, look how gorgeous and how royal the sari is, because of the color and the zari work over it. And the contrasting border in purple color has peacocks with florals, paisleys in boxes, and cross lines, and again we have peacocks with florals. So there's a repetition of work to create a lovely balanced design. And the pallu has brocade work on it. So we have diamond brocade work with leaf butties over it in gold zari. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in purple color for your beautiful midnight blue sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ228. Weaver's price is 9,199, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. I'm so glad that a dear customer, Ms. Shilpa ji, also liked this sari, and I hope you guys are placing the orders right away, because the weaver's prices, they are valid only for 24 hours, and I want you to avail the sari. So we have florals and leaves jal on the body. Look at the lot of detailing, very intricate and feminine work is there. And here's the border, which has peacocks with florals and cross lines. And again we have peacocks with florals. So repetition of design to create a balanced and lovely look. Here's the blue color restio pink border. And the contrasting pallu, which is in blue color too. So we have circular floral butties, diamonds, dollars in boxes, florals and leaves jal, and floral brocade work in silver zari. There's a contrasting blouse in blue color for this beautiful sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ263. Weaver's price is 9,599 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow BML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections, weavers' prices, live timings and videos too. Moving on to it. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Hello beautiful ladies, I am back and I am going to show you more beautiful saris, and this one is also in midnight blue color. So Miss Rani Kumari ji, you can consider this one too. This one is on the lighter side. That one is more of a party wear, and this one could be worn to smaller parties, smaller functions also. So on the body of this one, we have floral butties in zari. There is gold zari as you want it, with pink color added threadwork detailing, making the sari pop and look even. All this beautiful work is in gold zari. Here is the pallu. The contrasting pallu in pink color has beautiful floral brocade work over it. We have drop butties brocade work in gold zari, and we have leaves inside them. And let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ258. Weaver's price is 6,879. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a very bright and lovely sari in magenta and orange color. It is in gold zari, creating a lovely pattern on the body. And the border in magenta color has peacocks with florals, dollars in boxes, cross lines, and then again we have peacocks with florals in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work on it in gold zari, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ206. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Sridevi ji, who wants to see a pastel sari. So since we do not have any pastel sari left, all I can tell you that you have to take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will show you beautiful saris in all the color variations that you want for your sari too. Moving on to next beautiful sari now. This one is also a very lovely sari in midnight blue color. So see, I have such amazing options today in this color. And we have florals and leaf jal in gold zari on the body. The beautiful border has temples, elephants and peacocks and palkis in gold zari. We have cross lines and diamonds, and again elephants with peacocks. Here is the pallu, which has floral buttis and checks. It's a lovely contrasting pallu with gold zari work on it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ270. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank Maniji, who also loved the blue and pink color sari. Actually, this collection is very nice. We have amazing colors and combinations at various price ranges too. So please make sure to place your order right away so that you can avail to the weaver's prices too. Moving on to the next sari now. Here's another very beautiful sari, and this one is in red color. And on the body, we have silver and gold zari work. So we have florals and leaves jal in lines. And the border in mustard color has cross lines, diamonds, peacocks with florals. Again, we have cross lines and then florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Here's the beautiful contrasting pallu, which has huge and here's the beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order for this sari, all you have to do is take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of Kanchipattu saris. This one is also a gorgeous red with mustard color sari, and on the body of this one, we have floral buttis and zari checks. This beautiful work is in gold zari. And the border in mustard color has paisleys in boxes, peacocks with florals in boxes, and cross lines in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has brocade work over it in gold zari again, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse in mustard color. Such a lovely bright sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ208. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Ms. Sridevi ji, who wants to see a kalamkari pattu sari, Kanchi kalamkari sari. So today's episode is only about Kanchi pattu saris, but you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will show you the beautiful saris in various price ranges too, and you can directly place the order there, and we will deliver your sari to you in no time. So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment right away. Moving on. So the floral boxes are in silver zari, while the detailing inside them is in copper zari. Border in magenta color has cross lines and floral jal with peacocks. And the pallu has brocade work over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in pink color. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ 236, weaver's price is 7,279. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a gorgeous green sari. It's in dual shade of green, and let me show you the details right away. Look at the beautiful zari work all over the body. We have different colors of zari. So it's an aqua green. It's a green with light green color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have zari lines in silver and gold. And then we have florals and leaf jal detailing inside them. The border in light green color has diamonds in boxes, cross lines, peacocks with florals. Again we have cross lines and then florals and leaf jal in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has brocade work all over it. And a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Let me now show you next gorgeous sari from today's episode of Kanchipattu Sarees, pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. A beautiful color is here, a lovely color combination. I love this sari. And on the body of this mehendi green and magenta sari, we have floral temples and peacocks in checks, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Miss Rani ji, you can consider this sari also, and I have also shown a lot of magenta color saris in today's episode. So once we save the live, you can go back and watch it from the beginning with your friends and family and have a look at all the saris in magenta color too. The border in magenta color has temples, paisleys with florals and leaves jal and diamonds. And again we have a repetition of work here to create a balanced and beautiful design. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in magenta color. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in magenta color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ271. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very royal one in a very beautiful color combination, and let me show you the details. Such a lovely sari in a lovely color combination. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of the sari, which is in peacock green color, we have florals and leaf jal and gold zari. Very intricate work is there. Love the design of the body. And border, which is in blue color, has paisleys, cross lines, florals and lines, diamonds. And then we have peacocks creating a beautiful paisley buttis in gold zari. And we have a repetition of work here to create a balanced and beautiful design. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ210. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, now that we are done with these saris, I will be showing you the saris on the mannequin, so that you can have a look and you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape it on yourself, and with your beautiful smile you are going to glow in it. So let me now show you the first one in blue color. This lovely blue sari from the Kanchipattu collection has small floral buttis on the body in copper zari. And the border has zari strips and lines, in that we have florals and zigzag lines in copper zari. Pallu has floral jal and crossed lines in lines. And we have a self blouse in blue color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ260. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Here's the next lovely sari. This one is in pink color. Such a beautiful color pattern. Color palette is there. It's a green with pink sari, and on the body we have diamonds and florals with zigzag lines and lines. This work is in silver and gold zari on the body. And the border has florals and peacocks with zigzag lines. So it's a contrasting green border with gold zari work all over it. Our pallu has floral brocade work. And there's a contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ200. Weaver's price is 10,599, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next gorgeous sari, let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess to have an amazing weekend and to have a wonderful shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And now I will be showing you the next saree. This one is in mustard and pink color. It's a beautiful color combination. And on the body of this one, we have small floral buttees and zari lines, and all this work is in copper zari. The border is in contrasting pink color, which has florals and leaves with paisleys and cross lines. You can see the copper zari is adding a beautiful shine to the pink color border. Our pallu has floral brocade work again in copper zari, and there's a contrasting blouse in pink color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ261. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Here we are moving on to the next saree, the last saree for today's episode, and one of the most beautiful sarees too. Such a lovely color combination. This one is a peach with blue color saree, and on the body of this one we have florals and leaves jal in zari. You can see that silver zari is looking very beautiful on the peach body. The border has cross lines with florals and leaves, and the pallu has floral brocade work. There's a contrasting blouse in blue color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ215. Weaver's price is 9,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear beautiful ladies, I hope you had a lot of fun watching today's episode about lovely Kanchipattu sarees, and I hope you are placing the orders right away too, because the Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Also keep giving us lots of love and lots of support. Until then, Namaskaram.
సో ఇప్పుడే నేను కంచిపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్ స్టోర్కి వచ్చానండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ శారీ కలెక్షన్ కానీ ప్రైసింగ్ రేంజ్ కానీ చాలా 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 బాగుంది. సో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లైవ్ అప్డేట్స్ని అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ని మిస్ కాకూడదంటే డూ ఫాలో కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్.